freaking fantastic in this light. All right, new day, new dawn, and Dudley's not here. You know what that means? I get to use the boat. I get to go wherever I want, ever I want. Just gotta carry out all my junk. Probably shouldn't say that while holding a Bible. A little chillier than I thought it was gonna be. So basically, the long rundown is that Dudley flew off to a trade show, and I've been his videographer for the last, for the last week. Basically, it's my new job, and so he's off. So he said, "Hey, you drive to Fork. The next tournament's at Fork in Texas in only a few days. Well, about a week." And he's gone for a few days. And I get to use the truck and boat wherever I want to go. So today, I messaged a few people. I'm going to Lake Athens, which is where they had the final round of the BPT last time that they went to Fork. So we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, so here's the basic gist. Vlog today is that I am here at Lake Athens in Texas. There's the scene of the crime right there. Right about there, where Ottifo won $100,000. $100,000. But I mean, he's Ottifo, so he can catch him. We're gonna see if we can catch something. I don't know if we'll catch him as good as Ott did, but we'll see. It's a beautiful day down here. Beautiful day to fish. So let's get to it. I'm done talking. Almost forgot. Throw in my boat essentials. Carrots, apples, and peanut butter. I pretty much live off that stuff if I'm fishing. Let's go. No way. First cast. I thought that was grass. No way. Uh-oh. That'll be a fish landing violation. But I caught one. Would you look at that? First freaking cast. Caught one. some kind of fish, bait fish thing. So many fish have bumped it, not gotten it. There's the school of them right there. I don't get why I can't get more bites. The wind is pushing through this little pinch point that leads into a bay off the main deep channel, which I've seen is the one place that has a lot of bait. Finally caught. Man, I've been sucking today. Never even felt that bite. That was a total dingle dork on that one. Total dingle dork. I just started reeling and it was like heavy and I was like, idiot, he had it the whole freaking time. Holy moly. I'm terrible at boat flipping them. That one was shallow. I was like 3 foot deep. That was kind of awesome.